Hi, Coach Mac here, and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. If you haven't met me yet, I am your PE teacher. So, although things are going to look a little bit different this year, and we're starting on the computers or online, we still are going to have PE. So, in PE, we learn three big things. The first one is we learn how to move our bodies safely and confidently. We learn the importance of keeping our body physically active, that it's important for our brains as well as our bodies. And thirdly, we'll learn how to keep our bodies healthy. So even though we're not meeting face to face, those are some things that are really important for us to continue to do throughout this school year. So each week, you're going to log into your specials Google Classroom, and that's where you'll find all the fun activities we have planned for you. So each week, you'll have ways to keep your body physically active. You'll have a PE skill to practice. You'll also have a fitness focus that'll help us keep our bones and muscles strong. And you'll have a tiny mini health lesson. What's great about these activities is you can do them at home with your family. So I'm super excited for the school year. I've got lots of fun things planned for you, and I can't wait to see you in our live lessons. Now, sometimes we'll meet live and we'll do a workout together, but other times we'll just send you activities to do at home with your family. All right, guys, I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.